Good morning, students. Students, in our previous lecture, we discussed the tabular form of various types of hybridization. And if you remember, I told you that it can be sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3d hybridization, and sp3d2 type of as well as sp3d3 type of hybridization. Now, today, in this lecture, I'll try to explain how does this hybridization occurs. Am I clear? First will be the discussion of sp hybridization. So, sp hybridization. How does sp hybridization occurs? Sp hybridization. Now, if you remember the last lecture, I told you sp hybridization occurs when one half filled s and one half filled p atomic orbital mix together to form sp hybrid orbital. These two sp hybrid orbital will orient themselves in such a manner so as to adopt a linear geometry with a bond angle of 180 degree. Am I clear? So, how does the sp hybridization takes place? Suppose this is s atomic orbital. We all know s is spherically symmetrical in all direction, and this is a p atomic orbital. So, we have s atomic orbital and p atomic orbital. Now, when one half filled s and one half filled p atomic orbital, they approach each other in such a manner. Fine, they approach each other in such a manner so that the mixing of the atomic orbital takes place. Then the hybrid orbital so formed will be called as a sp hybrid orbital. The sp hybrid orbital so formed will be sp hybrid orbital. So, it will result in the formation of sp hybrid orbital. The overlapping region of sp hybrid orbital will be shown with the bigger lobe and non-overlapping region will be shown with the smaller lobe. And the bond angle over here will be 180 degree. Am I clear? So, how does the sp hybridization occur? It occurs when one half filled s atomic orbital of one atom and half filled p atomic orbital of another atom orient themselves in such a manner so as to overlap, resulting in the formation of hybrid orbital is called as a sp hybridization. They will orient themselves to acquire a linear geometry. I will try to explain to you this by taking an example of beryllium fluoride. For example, if you take the bond formation of beryllium fluoride. Now, beryllium, atomic number of beryllium will be 4. So, configuration will be 1s2 and 2s2. That is 1s orbital will be having how many electron? 2. 2s orbital will be having how many electron? 2. And this is in ground state. This configuration is in the ground state. Now, if I write down in excited state, because when the bond formation takes place, it will occur in excited state. In excited state, atomic number of beryllium 4, the configuration will be written as 1s2. This will be 2s1 and 2px1. Am I clear? To participate in the bond formation, this paired electron has got unpaired and has distributed in the atomic orbital of the same energy. So, how will it take place? This is 1s orbital and this will be 2s orbital. 2s orbital will be having 1 electron. 2px orbital will be having 1 electron. So, this is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1. This s and p will overlap and the type of hybridization will be sp hybridization. Am I clear? Now how many hybrid orbitals are formed over here? 2. Now we have fluorine. Fluorine atomic number is 9. Configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2 and 2pz1. Am I clear? So here the pz orbital has got 1 electron. Now what is the shape of pz orbital? Dumbbell. Am I getting clear? Pz orbital is dumbbell in shape. So when the bond formation takes place, how will the bond formation takes place over here? Just see very carefully. In this over here, beryllium, it will result in the formation of a 2 hybrid orbitals. How? This half-filled s and p atomic orbital we mix together to form hybrid orbital. It will mix together to form the hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital will be having a 2 lobe, sp, in which the bigger lobe will be for the higher electron density and the smaller lobe will be for the lower electron density. How will the bond formation take place? This will be sp hybrid orbital of beryllium, this, with a region of high and low electron density. Never forget to make this small lobe inside this. This is formed by the mixing of s and p atomic orbital. The 2 hybrid orbitals are formed as the 2 atomic orbital has overlapped. They have oriented themselves in a manner so that they may overlap with the half-filled pz atomic orbital of a fluorine. Here in this case, sp hybrid orbital, two sp hybrid orbital have oriented themselves as to adopt a regular linear geometry with a bond angle of 180 degree. You may see over here, this is a straight line over here. So this bond angle over here will be equal to 180 degree. Now fluorine, atomic number is 9. Configuration will be 2pz1. One of the fluorine will orient itself in such a manner. Fluorine is a pz atomic orbital. We all know pz is having a dumbbell shape. What is the difference between this hybrid orbital and atomic orbital? Hybrid orbital is a region with a high and low electron density. But here it is a dumbbell shape only. And this will be the overlapping region. In this overlapping region, 1 electron from pz and 1 from here will come. So it will be sp and pz overlap. And the type of bond will be sigma. Since there are 2 fluorine atoms, one of the fluorine will orient itself in this manner and result in the formation of bond. So this over here again will be sp and pz. This will result in the formation of sigma bond. This is a fluorine molecule. This again is a fluorine molecule. Am I clear? So how is the beryllium fluoride formed? When the 2 sp hybrid orbital overlap along with the pz orbital to form a sigma bond, and here again the sigma bond will be formed. So this will result in the formation of a beryllium fluoride. So ultimately, how do we make the beryllium fluoride? This is beryllium. This over here is fluorine. And here again this will be fluorine. And the bond angle over here will be equal to 180 degree. Tell me whether I am clear or not. Am I clear? So bond angle in this case will be equal to 180 degree. What type of hybridization is this? It is sp type of a hybridization. And this is how the molecule of beryllium fluoride will be formed. So what molecule is formed over here? This is beryllium fluoride. Am I clear over here, student? And what type of hybridization is this? sp. Here, geometry of the molecule will be a linear geometry. This is how the sp hybridization takes place. Now, the next will be sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Students, sp2 hybridization occurs when one half filled s and two p atomic orbital, they mix together to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. And these 3 sp2 hybrid orbital will orient themselves to acquire a trigonal planar regular geometry with a Born angle of 120 degree. Am I clear? 1s and 2p atomic orbital mixed together to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. So this will be s plus p and plus p atomic orbital variation. How many atomic orbitals are overlapping? 3. So how many hybrid orbitals will be formed? 3. These 3 hybrid orbitals will orient themselves to adopt a trigonal planar geometry. This will be one sp hybrid orbital, this will be another, and this will be another. Am I clear? Since this will be the hybrid orbital, it will be having a lobes of higher and lower electron density. So this is how it will be formed. Lobes of higher and lower electron density it will be formed. These are 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. Am I clear? This will be having a trigonal planar geometry. Born angle over here will be equal to 120 degree. What will be the Born angle over here? This will be equal to 120 degree. Am I clear? Let me try to explain to you. So this type of a geometry will be obtained. I think the concept must be getting very clear with this Born angle of 120 degree. How does it occur? When 1s and 2p atomic orbital mix together to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbital, which will orient themselves in such a manner so they adopt a trigonal planar geometry. As for example, if we discuss the boron trifluoride molecule, if we discuss the molecule of BF3, so BF3 molecule, boron atomic number is 5. Configuration will be 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1. Am I clear? And 2pz will be 0. This is a configuration in the excited state. How does it occur? This will be 1s orbital. This will be 2s orbital. Then we have 2px, 2py and 2pz. 2px, 2py. This 1s and 2p will overlap among themselves to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. Am I clear? Next will be fluorine. Atomic number of fluorine will be 9. Electronic configuration will be 1s2. Then we have 2s2, 2px2, 2py2 and 2pz1. Now these 3 sp2 hybrid orbital will acquire the trigonal planar geometry, and the pz atomic orbital of fluorine will orient itself in such a manner so as it may overlap with the hybrid orbital and forming a boron trifluoride molecule. So just see student, these are 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. 3 sp2 hybrid orbital will be this way. This is one sp2 hybrid orbital. Of boron, this will be another, and this will be the another sp2 hybrid orbital of this one. Hybrid orbitals are represented with the larger and the smaller lobe. So this will be this way, and here this way, and this again will be this way. Tell me whether you are getting it clear or not. This is boron molecule having sp2, sp2, sp2 hybrid orbital, which have oriented themselves in such a manner so as to adopt the trigonal planar geometry. Now, one of the fluorine will overlap in this manner. This is fluorine, and resulting in the formation of sp2 and pz orbital. This is pz, forming a sigma bond, as it is an internuclear overlap. This is pz for fluorine, which was having one electron. Now, here another pz orbital of fluorine will overlap in this manner. This is pz. This is fluorine. This bond so formed over here again will be sp2 pz, and this again will be a sigma bond. Similarly, another sp2 pz. Am I getting clear? So another sp2 pz orbital will overlap resulting in the formation of sigma bond. I think I shall be very clear. So how the boron trifluoride molecule will be formed? Boron, this is fluorine, fluorine and fluorine. This is boron trifluoride molecule with a bond angle of 120 degree. Am I clear? Geometry will be trigonal planar. I think I shall be very clear over here. Am I clear? Now, sp3 hybridization. It occurs when one half field s and 3p atomic orbital mix together to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, which will orient to adopt a tetrahedral geometry, as for example this. This will be sp3, sp3, sp3 and sp3 hybrid orbital. They will adopt a tetrahedral geometry. Am I clear? What type of geometry? This way. These will be adopting a tetrahedral geometry. Bond angle over here will be 109 degree and 28 minutes. It will adopt a geometry which is tetrahedral geometry. Is it clear? As for example, if we discuss the bond formation of methane molecule CH4, this is methane. Now just see over here, carbon atomic number will be 6. Configuration 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. This will be 1s2. Then 2s1, 2px1, y1 and 2pz1. 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. They will mix together to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. Atomic number of hydrogen will be 1, so configuration will be 1s1. It will be having 1 electron over here. Am I clear? Now, how does the bond formation take place? These 4 sp3 hybrid orbital will orient themselves to form tetrahedral geometry. So, they will be orienting themselves in this manner. This is sp3 hybrid orbital. This is another sp3 hybrid orbital. This is another sp3 hybrid orbital. And this will be the 4th sp3 hybrid orbital. Yes, hydrogen atomic number is 1s1. Now there are 4 hydrogen atoms. One of the hydrogen atom will orient itself in this manner. This is spherical in shape and this will be sp3s sigma bond. Here this will orient itself in this manner. This again will be sp3s sigma. Is it clear? One will be orienting with this. This again is H. This again will be sp3s. This is sp3s. And one of the hydrogen atom will be overlapping with this one. This is H. This will be sp3s. Am I clear? So, how the bond formation takes place? This is carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. The molecule will acquire a tetrahedral geometry with a bond angle of 109 degree 28 minutes. This is carbon, this is hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Geometry is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral geometry. Am I clear? Bond angle will be 109 degree 28 minutes. So this is how, student, the sp3 hybridization takes place. So how does the sp3 hybridization occurs? It occurs when 1 half filled s and 3p hybrid orbital, 3p atomic orbital mix and orient to form the tetrahedral geometry with bond angle of 109 degree 28 minutes. One example I have discussed over here, the formation of a methane molecule. So student, today in the discussion of how the hybridization occurs, we have done with you sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridization. Left are sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3 type of hybridization, which we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then you revise this work. I hope you must be understanding the concept of hybridization. We will meet again in the next lecture. Thank you.